Hi everyone, I am Devdut Goswami and I will be your host for the evening. A warm welcome to you all on a live session on Android Study Jam. Hope you all are doing good in these tough times. Well, with this onset of pandemic, we are currently seeing a lot of negativity all around us, right? We currently don't know what lies ahead of us or what the future may hold for us. Hopefully everything will be alright again, but we need to be prepared for the worst. It is even more essential now to have a skill up your sleeves. Keeping these things in mind, here we are with a session on Android. Also, before we proceed, I would like to request everyone present here to kindly go to our community platform and join our community there. The links for the same will be shared to you in the chat. In that way, you will be notified for all our future events. I would like to request everyone to kindly share this stream with your friends who are interested in learning Android. Also, if you have any doubts during the session, mention them in the chats. We will address the same at the end of the session. Also, before starting the session, I would like to mention that you all would be receiving certificates for completing this study jam. The process for the same will be mentioned again after the stream. Okay, so today we have with us Saif Ali, an Android developer, also a third year student of Academy of Technology. And guess what? He's not from CSE or IT, rather, he's from ECE. My only reason for mentioning it here is to prove to you guys that your engineering department doesn't matter at all. All that matters is your energy to keep learning. So, without wasting any more time, let's give a warm welcome to our Android facilitator. So, Saf,
Hello.
it's all
Yeah.
yours now.
Yeah. Thanks, Dadwood, for introducing me. Yeah. Let's start with Android Study Jam. My hello everyone. My name is Saif Ali. I will guide you on Android Study Jam. Okay. This is the first session on Study Jam. Let's start. Yeah. To start this Android Study Jam, what are the prerequisites you require? First one is basic programming knowledge, basic computer knowledge, math skill, computers, and a good internet connections. Okay, that things you will require. Yanis, what's our learning objectives? First, we will create one Android app, and I will show you how to set up Android Studio on uh, computer. And second, third one is I will teach you about basics Kotlin programming language, and we'll see further more. Yeah, let's exit it. Go to the link. Yeah, we are opening the study jam. Yeah. Please, Debut, share this link, okay? Yeah. This is Android Study Jam provided by Google, okay? Where we will learn Android and Kotlin, okay? In this Android Study Jam, there is two track. One is new to programming and another is prior programming experience. In our campus, we will choose new to programming. Okay, let's start with new, uh, new to programming start course. Yeah. Under this Android basics in Kotlin, there is two unit. One is Kotlin basics for Android, another is layout. Okay. Uh, in the first session, we will cover unit one, and another session we will take another day that I will cover on unit two, that is layout. Let's start with Kotlin basics for Android. Yeah. Under this unit one, Kotlin basics for Android, there is four pathway. Uh, Pathway name is Introduction to Kotlin, create your first Android app. Last one is build a build, build a basics layout. And this last one, I will not cover in this session. I will cover on another session. Okay, that is guided by our uh, Google team. Okay, let's explore this introduction to Kotlin. Yeah, under this introduction to Kotlin, there is 4 5 tracks. ठीक है ठीक है that you have to cover. First one is optional video that you can see on, you can see it. You may not. Okay, uh, and this second video is optional, also optional. Uh, if you see in the third task, that is Code Lab. Code lab you can perform uh, by typing it. Okay, let's see what these uh, code lab does. Okay, uh, so in this code lab we will see how we can print some values to the terminal, or we can store values to the variables and printing and all. Okay, so let's not do here. Let's start with uh, Kotlin playground. So I'm starting Kotlin playground. Just type Kotlin playground on Google. Yeah, you'll find the first link, and that is Kotlin playground. Yeah, it's good. Let's remove all these things first. Okay. If you see, if I run this blank code, then it shows no main function found. Okay, that means we have to specify the main function first. Okay, so to specify main function, we have to use fun keyword. Fun keyword is used to specify any functions in this Kotlin programming language. As the error says, we have to create main function. So name it main. Okay. Yeah. Now block it into in curly braces. Uh, Whatever you type, you write syntax in this main function, that will execute. That will be under main function only. That means if you access the another, if you create the function from another uh, if you create the another function, then it will not consider in main function. Okay, let's see what we can do in main function. In this main function, we can print hello world by this syntax. Yeah, if you run it, you will see hello world. Yeah, good. If you print hello world, hello android. Okay, yeah, it will shows hello world, but it will concatenate it. Means it's joined. What we will do here, we just change it to print ln function. That that used for uh, that used for whenever you print the first line, first parameter, then it will goes to the another line. Yeah, see, wait, let it, maybe some internet issue. Wait, uh, let's refresh it. Yeah, now I'm running. Yeah, it shows hello world and hello android. Okay, now I will show you how you can initialize variables in this Kotlin programming language. To specify variables, means assign variable, you will use var keyword, and then name the variable name a, says a, and you will have to specify the types of variable you are taking. I have taken the integer type variable. So we will add only integer type variable. See, I have add the semicolon. It's work in Java, but it's required in Java, but it's not required in Kotlin. So I will remove it. Now I will show that what's written in the variable, what is stored in the variable a. So let's remove the all. Yeah, if you print this, it will shows one. Yeah, pretty good. But if you change it to string type, then it will shows an error. What's the error is? Error is showing that key you can't slice the string type values to the int data type variables. Okay, that means you can't store integer string values to the int type variable. Yeah. So what we will do, we will typecast this one. Let's take another example first. Wait. Yeah. Let's take a val type str type string type. Here we can store string values. Yeah, it will shows it will if you print this string, then it will shows hi everyone. Okay, uh, that's good. But what if we will store one to this string type? It will shows one error. The error is same that we can't store one to the integer values to the string types. Okay, so what we can do, we can convert this one to the string type. So this is the syntax to string. By using this two strings command, we can convert this one to the string types. So now I will run, then you will see it will print one. Yeah, that means the one is converted to string from the integer types. Okay. There are many uh, data types like int, then string, then boolean, and double float, double float. If you're already familiar with programming, programming in C or Java, you already know about it. But if you don't know, then I will tell you. In this int type, you will store only int type values. In this string, you will store string values. In this boolean, you will store only true and false values. Uh, and uh, last one is double, which is double and float. Double float is nothing different in between, but there is one different, which is the float is of 32 bit, and double is of 64 bit precise values. Okay? So let's take an example. Val num equal to type of double. We'll store 1.0. Okay, if you see, we can store 1.0 to the double. What if someone try to initialize 1 to the double? It will show an error because we can't initialize 1 because we need decimal values. So what we will do, we'll convert to double. Yeah. And now it's one is the converted to the double types. Now it will shows 1.0. Wait. Let me pass this variable in println function. Now it will show 1.0. Yeah, fine. That's all about variables. And if you see val, val is for immutable variable. That means if you initialize the one, see, variable A is already initialized, but if you want to change, reassign it to the 2, then you can't reassign it. Let's see. It will show an error. Yeah. It's saying that val cannot be reassigned. Means this keyword you can't use to reassign a particular values. If you change it to var, then you can reassign it. Means that your storage values 1 will modify to 2. Yeah, pretty well. Yeah, it's all about variables, and now we will talk about conditional expression. That means if else. Okay, let's take an example. Val num equal to 22. Okay, yeah. Now we will see how you can use if else here. If you pass parameter is 2 is 2, num is greater than 2, then we will print num num greater than 2. Yeah. Now we will specify else part. If not greater than 2, then what will print? Print in num, that will be dollar sign. My mistake. Yeah, num less than 2. If it is greater than 2, it will print num, the value of the num and greater than 2. Let's see the pass the value 3 to this num and run it. It will shows 3 is greater than 2. Yeah, pretty well. What if we will pass 1 to this? It will shows 1 is less than 2. Yeah, it is work fine. Yeah. You can use if else function also. Yeah. If else if, okay. Here we will pass num equal to 2. That means if num is equal to 2, then we will print what we will print? Num is equal to, okay. Yeah. And else part will be print sign num less than 2. Okay. Yeah. Let me put it under quotation. Yeah. Let's run it. It will shows one is wait. Yeah, my mistake. Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah, it's showing 1 is less than 2. It's good. What if we will pass 2 to this? It will so 2 is equal to 2. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, that's is for about if else and if else if. Okay. Now we will cover when. When is similar to the switch. If you're already familiar with the switch in other programming language like C, Java, then you have seen the switch keyword. But here we will use when. Okay. In the Kotlin there is nothing about switch. Here we will use when. Suppose when num, yeah, we are passing the integer type. So we will use the first case type of integer means 0. Will is assigned 0 will be print as in the text form. It will be 0. Yeah. 1 will be print 1. 2 will print print 2. Okay, let's run. What will be? It should be print 2. Let's see. Yeah, it's printing 2. What if we will provide else, something else, like not this values case? So it will print nothing, because we do not specify the default values. So how we will specify the defaults? We will use here else. We specify default. Default will be print invalid input. So now if we pass the values that is not under this case, then it will print invalid. Yeah, it's printing invalid. If you pass 0, then it will print 0. That is similar to the switch case if you already familiar with switch. Yeah, that's all about for when statement. Now I will go for loop. For loop. For loop is used for iterative type. Means you specify one time and you can run it over many times. Let's take a verify in 1 2 dot dot 2. This in it is the first variable. That's this is a type of collection. This is a range from 1 to 10. That means this the collection of 1 to 10. Okay. Now what we will do? We'll print every values of I. Yeah. Wait. Let me use println. Yeah, it's showing this. Good. Now you can jump into if you have seen that we in C or C Java we use step. Okay, so you can step it by 2, increase by 2, increase by 3. So we can use step to define the how many steps it will take to go to the final position. Yeah. Now it will show 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. If we specify 10, then it will goes like 1, 11, 21. Okay. What if you want to reverse it? Means if you want that it will print from 100 to 1, then you will specify 100 down to that will print from 100 to 1 with the step size 10. I mean it will take a step 10 steps like 100 90 80. Okay, if you erase it, it will print from 0 to 1. Yeah, fine, good. uh, that's uh, for loop. Now we'll use while loop. Here, while loop is similar to the Java, C, uh, and any programming language. And do while is also do the same. See, if you pass store a variable val a of type int, store it to 5. Okay, so the value 5 to a. Now we will pass this num a greater than 0, and then we will what we will do, we'll print the value of a. See, we do not decrease this value of a. Okay, so what it will show an error which is out of memory error, because it's run infinity times. Okay, because we do not decrease the values of a. Okay, so what we will do, a minus minus, but we can't perform a minus minus because we are using val type, means that it can't be reassigned. So we are changing this to var type. Now it will reduce by 111. Yeah, see, yeah, like that. Let me take to println. Yeah, 5 4 3 2 1, like that. If you want to decrease by 2 and a minus 2, okay, then it will print 5 3, like that. 5 3 1. Yeah, that's for while loop. And do while. Now let's take do while. Do while. In this do while, what we will do, print a while a greater than 0, and we will decrease it by x minus. Yeah, this is the syntax of do while. Yeah, it's showing 5 4 3 2. Let me separate it with line. Yeah, 5 4 3 2 1. Yeah, it's good. This is the syntax of do while. You all already familiar with do while. If you already know C or Java, let's jump to collections. Okay. In this collection, there are uh, three types of collections: list, set, and map. List is used to store list of something, like that. I'm doing store the list of int. We specify the type int. Okay, so you use list of, we store the list of int values. Yeah. Now we will print the list. Yeah. Wait. Um, Wait, sorry. That will be equal to. Yeah. Yeah, it's showing the list of 1 2 5 6. That's. If you see, we can't. There is two type of list. One is mutable list and another is immutable list. Here we are using immutable list. Means this list cannot be changed. You can't change this list. It means you can't add the another parameter. You can't remove these some values. Okay, like that. Like if you see, try to add something to this list. See, we'll use dot add. We are adding 8, but it will show an error. Yeah, you can't add to this. So what we will do, we will convert it to mutable list. Mutable list means you can change it. Means you can add the new values, remove these values. Mutable. Here you will change also. Mutable list of. It will now add 8. See, it's added. If you add more, add 9. Yeah, it's added. See, yeah, added. You can also remove. Okay, that's the strings of list. Now I will show the set. Set is used for, if you see there is a uh, usernames. Usernames can be of uh, uh, means you can't have two username of the same person. mutable set. Yeah. Now it's of mutable set means you can change these sets. If you specify, if you see, if you add one more one by one more two, then it will redundant means it will shows only one two. See, yeah, only only one two. That means you can't have two values of same number. So you can add the different, but you can't have same. Okay, that's about set, and now I will talk about map. Okay, mutable map. Map use the key value pair combination. Means first value is of uh, int and another will be say string. Means key is of type int and values is of type string. Let's me delete it. Yeah. Now mutable map. Who is store the values key pair? What we will do? 0 to string type 0. That means 0 defines uh, zeros in text. Let's take 1 define to 1 in text form, 2 define to 2. Yeah. Let me remove this. If you print it, it will show the map. That means 0 is of 0 is the key and the value of 0 is uh, 0 means in text form. One is one in int and another is stored value is in 1. Okay. That is mutable means you can add more uh, say key value pair list dot put. Here we will not use add. Here we will use put. We'll use like 3 dot 3 comma int type integer type, sorry, string type 3. Yeah, it will add 3 to this list means map. Yeah, it's added. Yeah, it's all about the collection. What if you will remove this mutable? See what will happen. It will show the same error that was showing on list. Okay, this is a syntax to create map of. It will show an error that the error is this because this is not mutable means you can't change it this map. Okay, so to change it you will use mutable map of. Yeah, it's all about Kotlin. Yeah, nothing more. Let's start another session. Let's take a break. And if you have any question, then you can say to me here in the comment section. Yeah, it's finished about Kotlin basis. Let's see what the question says. Any question? See, there will be two sessions on new to programming, okay, and another two sessions on prior experience programming. Any more question? Main function. Okay. Hello. Yeah. If you have any problem regarding this Kotlin programming language, then you can discuss on comment, or will providing a Discord link where you can join and discuss more on Kotlin. Okay, now I will take on to Android Studio. Let's delete it. Yeah, one thing more. After you complete this quiz, you will get an batch. Okay, that batch we will require for getting certificates. Okay, after completing all these track, okay, you will get one batch. Wait, yeah. After completing this four track, the session one will complete, and in the session two there is this one add button to the app and layout. After completing these both and the previous one, I will discuss on the next session. Uh, then what we will get? You will get total six batches, and that six batches you will have to add to the developer profiles. How can you create your developer profiles? Let's see. You just go to this setting like icon, then you go to Google developer profile. Yeah, I have to sign in. Yeah, how take inputs from user. Okay, that's good question. Let me open the Kotlin playground again. Uh, you can use the file type 20 type. We'll use read line, read line to take the input from the user. Okay, let's see and print it. Okay. Yeah, this is how you can take the input from the user and it will print. Sorry. Oh, integer type. It will take as integer type and you have to convert it. First, let me make it to I string. Yeah, it will show an error. In this Kotlin is not taking the read line function. Kotlab. Yeah, in this playground, it's not providing me to take the value. So I'll show you on the normal ID where you can use to give the value, store the value to the user. Yeah, it's showing error. Some. It's not asking for prompt for the input. There is some mistake in this playground, maybe. So I will discuss on the uh, Discord how you will take the input. This is a basically syntax to take the input, but it is not working here. Maybe some mistake is there. But if you working with the IDE, then you will find it's work properly. This is a simple syntax read line you will use to store the value to the now, I was saying that uh, how you can create your developer profiles. Yeah, this is how you will design your developer profile. You just go to this link and then click this there, and you prompt this screen, and then within this screen you can add these patches like that to your favorite. Yeah. After completing these, all these six batches, getting after getting these six batches, you will add the every batches there, and then you take one screenshot. Then you will send that to me. Then I will provide a certificate to you. Okay. Any more question? Any deadline for me? Yeah, deadline is 25 Jan. That means you can complete this track within 25 Jan, before 25 Jan. Okay, then I will provide you a certificate. Uh, yeah, that's all for this new to programming. If you see here, nothing much. That means we have covered this introduction to Kotlin, and we will show how to set up your Android. Okay, it's showing that in this track it is showing download Android Studio. I hope you all are downloaded already. Downloaded already. This is a code lab for showing how you can create your mobile and how can you, and the fourth task will it's showing that how can you run your app on device. There is one last quiz that you will take. After taking this quiz, you will take a batch. Okay. Let's directly jump to the Android. Let me delete it. Yeah. Here's Android. Hope you all are already downloaded Android. Okay. So in this Android Studio, to start any project, you just click on this start a new Android Studio project. If you already have Android Studio project, then you can choose this open an existing Android Studio project. Let's start with Android new. Start a new Android Studio project. Ha. So, like you can see here, there is phone, tablet, Wi-Fi, TV, internet things, Android things. Google Android Studio provide you many things to create your app on phone, tablet, even on TV app, Wear OS app, then Android Things app. Okay, so we will create here phone app. Let's select empty activity. Let's start with empty activity. Yeah, this asks for our project name. Yeah, in this Android, uh, we will create a birthday app. Okay, where we will see uh, a person is sending an app to the another person, creating for Android for creating a birthday app for your friend, you can create it. Okay, let's name it birthday app. Okay, this package name should be unique across the world, because it's defined. If you try to publish this app on Play Store, it will not accept if the same package name, same type, same syntax of the package is found on Play Store. It will not accept it. So better you will change it to your domain specific. First will be com, and then your domain name, let's say SAP. Then you can specify your package name, project name. Yeah, save location. That is for where your project will locate. Okay, so you can change it to anywhere. Let's keep it to this here only. In the language, you can choose two language. One is Kotlin and another is Java. Okay, but we are doing Kotlin, so we will choose Java. Yeah, minimum SDK. Minimum SDK is required. Suppose someone have Android 5. Okay, that means his mobile is supported Android 5. Uh, and so what he will do, it will he have to start with Android Studio 5. If he will start with Android 4, then it will not support it. Okay, that's showing that minimum 94% of the device are using Android 5. If you goes higher, like 10, Android 10, if you create the Android 10, then it shows that less than 1% of device means all of the world. It's showing that 1% of device are supported Android Studio 10. So if you start the project with Android Studio 10, and you will try to run it on the mobile that is of Android Studio 5, okay, Android 5, then it will not support it. It will not install basically. Okay, so we will use the minimum SDK to 5. Okay, let's start. Finish. Yeah. Layout dot main activity. What error is showing? Yeah, here one package name is match. Yeah, it's okay. Uh, if you see in this app, we'll see there is three files that we are working on. First one is Android manifest. Uh, Here we define the how our app will look like. Uh, in this manifest, we will specify everything that in our app will be, like your apps icon. Yeah, here you can specify the app icon. You can change it. Okay, also. Hmm. Here you can specify your app name. You can change it to something else. Like it was previously uh, a birthday app as project name. Now I will change it to birthday. Okay, that is normally birthday app. Birthday name of your app will be birthday. Now it will be modified. There is nothing more. Yeah, one thing is left. That is, you can specify users permission here. Suppose your app require user permission. Why it's cap lock is on? Wait, sorry. Yeah, user permission. Yeah, require internet connect internet. Then your app require internet. If your app require internet, then you will need to have internet permission. Okay, So you will need to have this. If your app require camera, then you have to use camera permission also. Android camera permission. Yeah, camera permission. If your app require a microphone uh, permission, then you will use radio. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Let's find this. Where is it? Uh, hmm. Yeah, if your app require location permission, then you can use the location code. And okay, uh, this is a way to specify the permissions. And whatever the activity you create, you have to specify here. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, it will not work under the app. It will not take it as an activity in your application. Let's talk about now uh, Kotlin file. Kotlin file is basically for used for coding purpose. Means whatever you syntax you have done on the Kotlin playground, that things you can perform here. Okay, and now I will talk about XML file. Uh, XML file. Let me delete it all first. Yeah. If you see, in this race, there is one called drawable. In this drawable, you can add the images, then you can add icons here. Okay. Uh, in this layout, you will add your layout, create your layout. If you want to create one more layout, then you can right click it. Wait, it's not. Yeah, yeah. You can. This is how you can create your layout, new layout. Okay. Suppose name it is activity underscore home. Then you can specify the type, what types of means layout. Means if you see this, every XML file, there's one layout that under this layout, every views are stored. Every views are displayed. I will talk about what views are. I'll change it to relative layout. Relative layout is used basically many of you like to use, because constraint layout, this constraint layout is have problem like that. You have to define the constraint to the top, bottom, left, right. Okay, that's a pretty much stuffy. If you click OK, then it will create one same XML file. Yeah. Let me delete it. I've shown this for your learning purpose, that how can you create the XML file. Similarly, you can create your Kotlin file over here, like right click it, open, then Kotlin. Yeah, Kotlin file, Kotlin class. Okay. Now I will talk about this designing purpose. I was talking about layout. There are many types of layout: constant layout, grid layout, linear layout, frame layout, tab layout, relative layout. That layout is basically used for enclosing these views in a different way. Okay, Suppose you are with constant layouts, so you can add this view. This view is a type of text view. That means here you can add text, okay, and you can add more text like that. Yeah, it's see, you can specify anywhere. Okay, let me delete it. Yeah, you can here is also a button view. Here is also image view, image view. You can add avatar, yeah, like that. Okay, but our purpose is to create a birthday card. Okay, so I will show you how can you create a birthday card. So let's go to the code. Yeah, let's let's remove these two relative layout. Change it to relative layout. In this relative layout, you can use your view. Let me first call the image. Specify the image in this layout, image view. Let's make it match parent. Yeah, match parent and wrap content is two different things. Match parent means if you type the match parent, then your image will cover the all the frame of your layout. Okay, see, uh, Android ARC is used to identify your image. Let's add an image, normal image from drawer. Let's add normal image like that. Yeah, see, this is normal image. Let's add something new, means birthday card image. Let's go to the internet and find some birthday card image. So you can see here one image is showing. There's many image. Let's choose one image. Yeah, I'm choosing this. Yeah, let me download this image. Save as birthday. You can specify any name. Birthday. I've stored it to, yeah, it's downloaded. Now I have downloaded the image. Now what I will do, I will drag this image to our
Uh, Hello,
drawable.
sir.
As I already said,
Yeah,
hello.
sorry to interrupt. Can you zoom your screen? Like the code is not visible properly, actually.
Okay, I will zoom it. Okay, wait. You can add this your image to the drawer. As I said, any image or any icon, you have to specify in this drawer folder. Okay, I'm zooming. Yeah, it's now visible. Hello, hello. It is visible. Okay.
Yeah, a bit more. Can you zoom in a bit more?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Previously, we have specified the image of our Android app icon. Okay. Now we will specify the our downloaded image. It's located under drawable. Uh, that's called a birthday card. Yeah, this is our image. If as I enter, it will show it's loaded. Yeah, our image is loaded to this main activity of design. Now you can also add text views, text view, text view to the match parent. It's not showing any text. We have to specify the text first, and then write this text. In this text, we will write some texts to whom we are sending this text. Yeah, you can see here it's showing to Devdut, go to Devdut Goswami. Uh, Let me maximize the text size. How can you increase the text size? See, text size 220. It will increase to 20. Yeah, it's increasing. You can use 30. Okay. Yeah, it's showing now. It's of 30 SP. You can style this text in italic, bold, normal. Okay, I will add bold. Okay, now see it's bolded. Now I will copy these things, and you can use Control D to uh, copy paste. Okay, yeah. Now what I will do, I will change it from SAP. That means SAPly is sending a birthday card to debut. Okay, so it's so that if you see that it's override, it means it's overriding each other. So what we will do, we will uh, align it. Okay, so let align it. This SAP takes to the bottom. So what we will use, align, bottom align. Okay, align parent bottom. Yeah, parent is this layout. Okay, parent, you can see this layout is the our parent. Okay, that means you specify bottom. Yes, if you mark it as true, then it will come to the bottom. Wait. What happened? Wait, let me margin it first. Margin from top equal to 10 dp, 20 dp. dp is density pixel. Okay, that means density pixel, that pixel of your screen it will specify. Okay, uh, this is the one mistake. Yeah, let me correct it. Will be aligned parent end equal to true. It's not going. Why? Oh, I have set it to match parent. It will be that content. Wrap content. Yeah, it will be wrap content. Yeah, now it's okay. Actually, if you provide the match parent, then it will cover the whole screen. Okay, means parent to this layout, relative layout. So we are changing to the wrap content. So we do not need to go to the wrap match parent. Yeah, it's on. Now I will. It's ended. Means sample is at the right side. Now I will align it to the bottom. Bottom. Yeah. Now its sap is in the bottom, right bottom. Okay. Now we'll change. Wait. Yeah. Now from the uh, from the bottom we'll give some margin. Okay, bottom margin equal to 20 here. If you see, it's open up a little bit upward. Okay, let's give a margin from the end. Means if you see, if I give the end margin of 10, then it will shift it a 10 density pixel to the left side. Yeah, see, it's shifted. If you specify this to 100, then it will have shifted to 100. Okay. Yeah. If same goes to this Goswami text, okay. So let's take give a margin from start. Margin start means if you give a margin start from say 10, then it will separate 10 density pixel to the right side. Yeah, it's shifted toward right. Yeah, let's change it to, it's not looking good. Let's change just from save text to 20 dp only. Yeah, it's now looking good. Yeah, this is the app that we are trying to design. Yeah, you can give anything. Uh, yeah, it's good. Now your app is ready, almost your birthday card app. You do not have to write anything here because in this session I will not cover this Kotlin part. Uh, I'll cover it in next session. One more thing, that if you see, then how this main activity is, how can you say this main activity is uh, taking which layout, means which uh, XML file. So if you see, here is one thing that's called set content view. Set content is view is used for to specify the which layout, means which XML file you are considering to this main activity Kotlin file. Okay, if you have more uh, if you want to working with another means XML file, then you can change it. If you have already this, we do not have already, then it's showing error. Okay, but if you create and you can add it, but it will change to this another. Okay, even you can add ID to this views. Say two means the ID of this text is true, and ID of this image is to from. Means the ID of this text view 1 is to, and ID of this text view 2 from. You can specify anything. View 1, text view 1, text 1, okay, anything. That identify that your Kotlin XML files ID. Uh, how can you access this ID in this Kotlin file? I'm showing this. Um, to access this ID, you will specify first type what you are accessing. I'm accessing text view. So wait, let me zoom it. Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, it's text view. Text view and give give an variable name text and type text view type. Fine. It's showing error. Invoke function. Okay. You use this like this. Test text one is to type of uh, type of text view equal to all the text.
Sorry to interrupt, Seth. Can you zoom in a bit more? Like people are having trouble like see the code.
Yeah, it's fine.
Uh, yeah, it's fine. Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, you can access these. It's not like anything. Find view by ID. Find view by ID means your ID is r dot id dot what ID you are using. Let's say we are taking this 2 ID. 2. Yeah, it's showing. Whew. What's the error is? Typecast this to text field. Yeah, bar. Oh, sorry. Bar. I didn't specify it, so it's showing error. Let's move this. Yeah. Now it's fine. Yeah, you can see this text one is identified to this value 2. Means now you can manipulate with the text in this Kotlin, means in this programming, uh, in this Kotlin file. Okay, you do not. You can also modify from there. Suppose this text you want to change it to Sandipan, then what we will do? Text dot set text to Sandipan. Sandipan Day. Okay. Text is said. Let's run this program and see what it's showing. Uh, Many of you not have this Android phone. So what you can do, you can use your virtual device. You can create your virtual device from here. You just go to this virtual, create virtual device, then you can choose your type of phone type, and then what type of device you require. You choose any type of device, let's say three. Okay, you click the next, and it will show this what type of means OS you require. Android, it's showing Android 10, Android 9, Android many more. Okay, if you choose Android 7, then it will not run application that you have created in. Suppose you have created Android 10 application, means app that will not work in Android 7. But if you create Android 5, as I have created, so you can run this on this Android 7 as well, and 10 as well. Okay, so you can, from here you can download this. If you click download, then it will start downloading. After completing this, you just click finished. Okay, then after it will here, it will come here, and then you will create finish also here. So we are not creating it here now. So after creating, if you refresh it, then you will find one device is activated. Okay, so you just do one thing, just it's already running. Okay, okay, let's see that this. If you click shut down it, yeah, from here you can start it. Just you click on this play button. Yeah, it's started. Yeah, it's pretty simple. If you do not have Android device, suppose you have a iOS phone, then you will require this. Okay, to test your app on Android. Okay, this is our virtual phone. In this virtual phone, we will test our app. Okay, so what we will do, you can see that our device is selected, that is Pixel 3, Excel API 21. Okay, you see? Yeah, this is. Now we'll run this app. Now see in the here, you can see that our app is start building. And after building complete, after complete the building, it will launch up the app. Yeah, see. As I have specified the text to Devdut, but it's changed to Sandeepan. How? It's because I have specified here by taking this text views ID and I have changed it to Sandeepan De. I can change it to something else like Pratyay. Okay. So if you run again, yeah, it will change to Pratyay. Okay, see, this is how we can use a Kotlin file to change the parameter, the text, and the image also we can change from here, but will require to add image also. Let's take an picture. Let's change this uh, view ID to means text one val text one type text view find by ID. We have to find this name. Okay, this text view by this name. Okay, ID name. So we will use r dot id. R here is r is the resource. That means this resource. Within this resource, we have id called name text one. First one was of two. That was here. If we specify this to something else like text one already defined, say text 2, then it will shows an error to here because it was defined text 2 means id 2 to this text view, so we can't we have to change it to here also text 2. Yeah, it's fine. This id of 1 is of this text view, okay? Now we'll change the name with the another text. Okay, let's say if you see that I will changing this text one, that means this one will be changing. How? Let's see from Devdut. Okay, yeah, from Devdut to Patte. If you run this program, it will show you from Devdut to Patte. Let's run. Yeah, it will restart and it will run. Yeah, wait, some mistake. Oh, sorry, I used I modified the text one only. I have to modify the text one. Okay, means I have to modify the text only, but now I will modify the text. That means now it will show you from Deadwood at the bottom. Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect showing to Devdut to Pratyay from Devdut. Okay, you can modify your title also. Give your title. Okay, energy. Yeah. Now you run. You will see, and this will modify. Yeah. Uh, you will see. I have minimized it, and now where is our app? Our app is here. You just open this and you will find this. Okay. So if you see, there is our app is has no icon. Okay. Let's see. I will give an icon to the app. How we can give it? Let's give download any image from Google and give it um, birthday icon. I will find an icon. Yeah, I will download this icon and yeah, it's perfect icon. I will save it to the desktop icon. I will name it icon. Yeah, saved. Uh, Now, as I said before, that whatever you will, the image or any icon, uh, you will drag it to the drawer folder. Okay, you will store it here only. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, yeah, it's coming. Now I will show you the how can you change the icon. To change the icon, I previously said that you have to change it here. Icon. Please specify your tribal icon. Yeah, see, it's coming. It's coming. I've changed it to Android driver. Now let's first uninstall this app. Yeah, it's uninstalled. Now I have changed the icon to this image. The image is this one. Okay. Now our icon will be modified now. If I run this program, yeah, it's running. Yeah, it's okay. Now if you see, it's not happened. Why? Wait, wait. Run. It's not changing. Some problem maybe. But this is the way you can change the icon. Icon. Yeah, this is the only icon I'm seeing. Let's run it again. Here is not showing the icon, but if you install it on your mobile, it will change the icon. Okay. So there's no problem that why not icon is not visible, but this is the syntax that you have to write here to change the icon. If you want to change the name to different, then you can also do like that. Previously it is uh, birthday. I will change it to birthday app. No, I will change to the sorry only app. Okay, I'll change it only app. Name of the our app it will be app. Let's uninstall it and run it again. Yeah, yeah, you can see our text app name is modified. Okay, so one more thing I will cover here, that is how can you build your app. Means if you install this your in your phone, but if you transfer this app to the another phone via share it or anything by anything wi-fi or anything to the another user, then it will not, it will create a problem. Okay, can because we do not have we do not build this app. Okay, we have to build this app. Okay, so we have to build this app. Yeah. This is how you will build. First you go to the build option, then go to the build bundle, then build APK. It's showing that your app is built. So where this app is located, just you go to the where's our project is under the C username, Sandhi. Just go to the these Android projects, and you will find it here your app APK file. You will go build under this folder build, and then go to the Kotlin, then session. It's not showing here. Why? Um, yeah, here within the app you will find the one build option. Build file means build folder. Under this build folder you will find a out generated, yeah, output. You will find under this output a APK. Under this debug, this is your APK, and this APK you can share it to anyone, because if you share it from your mobile, then it will create some problem. From this APK, uh, you can publish it to the uh, Play Store also. Okay, that's all for Android. Yeah, nothing less left. Yeah, one more thing I will cover. That is, if you see, if you have opened your app, you can see this uh, app bar is coming. How can you remove this app bar? Yeah, for this for removing person, you just modify this to know. If you will modify this theme to the no app bar, no action bar. Okay. What was this previous? No, sorry. Values, no. No exit, but this is required. Yeah, it's fine. It's not showing error now. You will specify no action bar, means this action bar will not display now. If you run this app again, let's see. Run it again. Yeah, see, it's gone. You can change these colors of your this blue color. You can also change it. Taskbar color. It's previously saved color is to primary color, which is blue type. So you can give your own color like that. I'm giving any random color. Let's take a hexadecimal number. Okay, let's give it to here also. Let's give it white. Yeah, it's white. Now if you run this program, it will change it to white. Yeah, one error is coming. It's showing that you have changed the raw string color. Okay, no problem. We first remove this app, then we'll do one more app, then we'll run. showing some error where it is showing. Yeah, it's saying that it is not taking this type. Okay, this is how you can change the color, but it's showing some error here. It will not show you guys, but why it's showing? Don't know. Expected color, but you go this color. Okay. Except that means this color is not identified. Let's uh, change it to white only. This also. Yeah, it's fine. Now we will try to run it. Yeah, it's gone. See, no blue color is displaying now. Yeah, that was not a color. Basically, that's why it was giving an error. If you color change it to black, then it will show you black. Let's choose the decimal code of black. Okay. Yeah, that will be our last task. Yeah. I changed it to black. Let's run. Yeah, it's not showing here. Why? Take the two decimal input. For this black, now it will show. Yeah, it's black now. You can see it's black. It's changed to black. Okay, that's all things. One more thing I will say that here was the code you are taking for here that at the rate color and color name of the color is primary color. We'll check. Take here. It's giving the color of primary. Actually, the code is XML file. XML hash code is written here. That's why it was taken from here only. Uh, Here is a string also. String is basically used to suppose you do not need see here you are taking this value long string. Okay, suppose you have too many strings here, so you can't write it like that. Okay, so what we will do, we will convert it to source string. That means this two debut we will name it to two. Okay, this means the string name will be name will be two, and the text will be two debut. Let's see that here is changes to string two, and one more two is added. String two name added. Here it is. Debut Goswami. Same goes with Sapali. Sorry, Patya. Yeah, whatever. Uh, you can change from name of your source file is from, and it will store at the string XML. Yeah, see. Actually, it's easy if you type the long text here, then it will not look ugly here. Okay, that was the end. One more thing I will cover. It's app module app. Here you can add your dependencies. Means if you want to add more uh, some more libraries here, then you can implement here also. That I will cover on the next session. Okay. So how can you add dependencies, and how can you add Firebase and all? How can you add recycle view and dependencies, and how can you add uh, circle view, image view? Okay, many more dependencies are available on internet. You can download and paste it here. Okay, if you see, like if you search it here, on Google, you will find many dependencies like circular circular image view. Yeah, is yeah. From here, you just go to this and documentation. You will find that Facebook used uh, this way to create their stories. Yeah, this is a dependency. You have to copy it and you have to paste it here in this dependency area. Then you will have to sync it. If you do not sync it, then it will not call all the classes of this circular image view. If you sync it, it will download it, the package libraries. Sure. Yeah, it's downloading. Yeah, it's fine. Downloaded. Now you can use circular VSC. Here you will find circular view class. Let me show you. Yeah, circular. Yeah, circular view class. Yeah, this is how you can add dependency to create more interesting way of designing your app. Okay, there are many dependencies you can go with. Let's end this session. Okay, that's all. If you have any question, then you can say me.
Yeah, hi. So that was a nice session. So yeah, can you just say about that? Like people are having some doubt regarding the certificates and all. So can you say like what is the procedure for that, like completing the track and all?
Okay, I'm telling again to you. Uh, I'm going to this study jam. Okay, let it open. Yeah, this is a basic track. Okay, here you will have to complete the basic tracks, and under this there is a two unit, and under the unit one there is four batches. You will get these batches, and under unit two you will get these two batches. Okay. After completing these tracks pathways, then you will earn each batches from each pathways. Okay, after getting all the batches, then you have to create your developer profile, and then after completing the developer profile, just you show the screenshot of this area. We will see that you have your name should be there. We will see that you have completed it. Then we'll provide a certificate on this course. Okay. You can also proceed to. Let me go to the this back. You can also proceed to this. I will take the session on this also. So no worry. Okay, that's fine. Any more thing?
Yeah, okay. So someone had doubt that where should they submit the screenshot of it? So I guess we would be rolling out a form where they can
Yeah,
like
yes, yes,
submit the
yes, yes, yes.
screenshot and all.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. At the end, at the
Okay.
end, at the end, after 25 Jan, we will take these screenshots from you. We'll provide you a Google form where you will add image, add your screenshot. Then we'll proceed.
Okay. So we have one more doubt. Yeah. So yeah, like Shan Kundu asks us which image encodings are supported in image view basically.
Which means what? Sorry.
Yeah, what types of images are supported basically in the image view?
What are the images are supported in this image view? Okay. Let's see, there are very too much images. You can say use PNG type, then a JPG type image, and you can also use a WebG image. WebG, you know? Yeah, there's many type of image. Actually, see, The PNG is of high size, means big size image. Okay, you will convert it to JPG, and it will reduce the size of image. If you go to the WebG, then it will also means reduce to the size. Okay, if you see the WebG size, then it's come in KB. Okay, so you do not require to. If you add this direct file to the huge uh, image size file, then it will load your app heavy, means your APK size will be huge. So if you use uh, short uh, short size image, then means size image, then it will be good for you.
Okay, so we have one more doubt from Sandeepan. Like, what is SP in text size?
Yeah, pixel means your scale pixel. Means here is three things. One is density pixel, another is scale pixel, and another is SP. SP, as said, scale pixel, and one more was called DP. Yeah, that's called density pixel.
Okay, okay,
SP
and
is
so
used
okay,
for scale pixel.
okay, okay, got it. And there's one more question from Shayan, which is just one second. Yeah, yeah, he is asking how is the top bar coming up in the AVD?
Which one? Which one? That's error.
Yeah,
Oh, oh,
the yeah, right. The
oh,
top bar which is
say.
coming previously.
Oh, actually, the error was coming. That's what you are telling.
No, no, he's talking about the top bar which was coming previously.
Okay, 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 okay. That's top bar was coming because of uh, here we have defined this under this style. Okay, uh, if I change it to the dark theme accent bar, then it will shows an accent, means accent bar. Okay, if you remove it to the no accent bar, then it will not show you. Uh, okay, let's run it again, then you will find again. Yeah, it's fine. uh, okay, one more thing, if you see that here is showing app, you can change it to something else, like you will specify is here the name, and the label will be, sorry, label will be birthday card, birthday card. So now our app bar text will be modified to the birthday card. Let's run it. Yes, see, it's changed to birthday card. You can use action bar, or you may not use it. It's depend on your application. Okay.
Got it.
See,
Okay.
see.
So I hope that clears it out, Shan. Okay. So is there? I guess there are no more doubts that I can see of. Uh, yeah. Okay. So there are no more doubts. Okay, that's great. Uh, okay. So guys, then that was all, and we have shared our Discord server link in the chat. You can join there, and if you face any difficulty in completing the track, or if you have any doubt in like the in general in any Android or any domain specific, you can ask there itself, and like Seth will be there to answer all your doubts. Okay.
Yes.
So that was great having you all here. Thank you so much for joining in live. And yeah, so that's all. Stay safe and yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So bye, guys.
Yeah. Bye.